Most AI tools can write, but a lot of the time you can tell it's AI. The tone feels off, too robotic, too perfect. That's why Notion AI feels different. Notion AI is built directly into Notion, and it's designed to write the way people actually think. Messy ideas, rough drafts, half-finished thoughts. You don't need a perfect prompt. You can start with a sentence, a bullet point, or even nothing at all, and ask Notion AI to continue, rewrite, or clean it up. It doesn't just generate text, it works with what you already wrote. That makes it incredibly useful for real work. Writing notes, planning projects, drafting scripts, organizing ideas, things most people actually do every day. One of the best parts is rewriting. You can ask Notion AI to make something clearer, shorter, more casual, or more professional without losing your original tone. It feels less like replacing your writing and more like improving it. Notion AI isn't trying to be flashy. It's not built for viral content or tricks. It's built to help you think, organize, and write better, faster. That's why it feels human. Because it doesn't try to sound perfect, it sounds useful.